Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be putting on my coilovers from Skunk2. As if I didn't mention it 1,000 times ago, I did get a sponsorship from Skunk2 and I have these coilovers that have been sitting around that need to be put on, so that's what I'm gonna do today. I'll show you guys how I do it. So these are the coilovers, they look good. So I got everything ready to go. So for this part, I'm using a 14. So I'm going to remove the upper control arm. Oh yeah, and I'm using a 12 to remove the brake line. So we're gonna put this one on, and it's really not bad. I mean, if I could do it, you can do it. Tightening everything. So I tighten all the bolts. It looks good. And it looks cute. And top. So this is just a little side-by-side comparison between the two. I put it on now, so it looks good. It looks good. Also done with this side. Clearly I need some new rotors and calipers. Yeah, it's looking good. So can you hear the rain? It sounds so nice. So I might as well do an oil change because might as well, I'm already here. I got my Honda filter. I got some aceite. So this one's more simple because we don't have to take off the bolts for the upper controller. So I'm gonna just take this one off and then take those off. So I'm gonna take these off. Off. These are 8s because the fuel neck is in the way of the bolt stuff. But yeah. Take this off. So pull this so it gives a little more room for the bolts. So this is how it's looking. Like I told you guys, I didn't really lower it a lot. I'm waiting to get some new tires, new wheels. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I didn't really lower the car that much. Kind of looks the same. I'm just waiting to see what new wheels I want, what new tires I want, and then from there I'll be able to decide what height I want. And I'll definitely show you guys because I'm the type of person that looks around to see like what looks best. So I don't know what looks best right now. If you guys have any recommendations, let me know in the comments. I have an idea of what I want to do, but I don't know what I want to do. You get me? Thank you guys for watching.